Hello and welcome back. I'm Lawrence. Today we're going to create a ninja game similar to this one. In this gameplay, this ninja need to collect as many potions as possible because with this potion he can uh, use to become invisible. But at the same time, every time you press the potion, the potion countdown will appear, and if you are run out of potion you will be defeated. Okay, let me show you one more time. This is the potion. When I collect, I gain 10 potion, again 10 potion, 10, some more, and then every time when I press it will use the potion, and whenever it ran out of potion your character will be defeated. Okay, game over. Alright, let's start the tutorial. I'm going to start this tutorial from scratch, so go ahead new and then select run a game and create. As you can see, I already pick my ninja object from the Google search, and then I already edit and make it a sprite. So let's bring in the sprite. From this character I need to change the default animation. Since I already have my animation, my sprite, I just click and drag all four of them to the default animation. It's gonna take some time to load. Okay, alright, but it's too big. You can still see the watermark from the character, which is you cannot use this to your game. But I think it's okay if you use this just for a tutorial. So let's change the size. 0.25, 0.25, collision shape. Every time when you bring in big large image and then you change the size, you will see something like this. Part of the head is missing, but it's okay. Okay, I always set my character collision shape like this, so nothing's block him. And then let's bring in the potion as an action, and one as an image, an object. You have one potion under action, one potion under object. And then let's bring in the button. Okay, we don't need this at the moment. I already have my own button. This would be the character button. Where is the character button? Here. Alright, and then I just click and drag under my character button image, and then resize this to 2.5. Character button, let's rename this to potion. Function set as component action. And then let's go to the character. Shoot animation, move animation, delete, we don't need them. Defeat animation, leave it there. And then leave everything as default, and then add component, advanced move, potion. Let's name this potion 1, and then button potion. So every time I press this button, my character will become invisible. At the same time, the collision shape is changed. Before you can change your collision shape, you need to bring in your character sprite. For this potion 1, I'm going to bring my ninjutsu 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, let's bring in this, and then set the collision shape to a tiny one. Okay, leave it like this for a moment, and then every time you press this, I want my character to move um, 15 on x-axis and 2 on y-axis. And then let's change the animation, uncheck the loop, animation speed change to 0.35. Yes, and then when I press this button, my character will play the animation, maybe. Okay, let's have a test. Pop. Alright, it's too big. Let's change the size of the animation to 0.25, and then preview. Okay, let's change the run animation, it's too fast. And then let's preview. Okay, let's bring in the audio for this one. Every time I press this, I want my audio play potion inv. Yes, so I need to create another button, which is every time I press and release, the character will reappear. So let me just copy this potion 2. Okay, let's rename this potion 1, 1 and 2, so that you have 1 and 2. Make sure button potion number 2 is on top of potion number 1. Okay, then don't forget to uncheck this block touch true. Let me put this to 1100 so that I can replace this. But oh yes, potion 2 component action. Alright, and then let me place this to 1100, and the opacity change to 0. Alright, and then let's get back to the character, And then let's create the second button, which is position number 2 under add component, advanced move, rename this position 2, and then button position 2 activate on release. Okay, the sound of the release is reappear. Oh yes, and then the sprite is ninjutsu 6, 7, and 8. Okay, leave this blank. Let's change the animation to 0.5, uncheck the loop, and let's give it a try. Invisible and oops. Alright, I need to resize. 0.25, 0.25. I think I'm gonna need to reconnect. Okay, portion 1 has disconnected. The event should be portion 1, portion 2, portion 2. The size 0.25, speed 0.5. Let's check 0.35 to 0.25. Preview. Yes. Okay. Okay, it's not coming back to the running animation. Let's try and fix that. I think I need to put some number over here. Timeout point 1. Let's try point 1. Yes. Okay, now that we already complete and make the ninja become invisible and visible again by pressing the potion. And now let's make the potion to work, because we don't want our player to play the game with free potion. Okay, to do that we need to bring in an inv object. Okay, where is my inv object? Under my Buildbox, YouTube Buildbox image. Here my inv object. Let's bring in two inv object, and let's bring in two inv action. Okay, we don't need them in the scene right now, so let's go ahead and delete 1, 2, 3, 4, and go to the object library, rename this inv object number 1 to spawner 1 and spawner 2. I'm not sure if you need 2 spawner, but just stand by. And then let's go to the action and let's rename this to what? I have no idea. What do I need now? Let's play the game. Oh yes, I need to create a plus minus here. So this will be a 100 none, but this will be 100 point. Okay, let's place the character, and then let's put the 100 point here.